So I'm going to start off using the new Venus 3 in the shade Bliss. I'm not really sure what look I'm going to do, so we're just going to kind of figure it out here as we go. And you should put some sort of shadow base down on your eyes. I already have some Tarte Shape Tape down, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease. Next, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Heavenly. And I think for this one, it looks like a sparkly finish, so I think I'm going to just use it on the finger. It's so pretty when I'm applying. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love that. I'm just gonna go back in with the same shade Bliss and just kind of go over where I got some of that sparkly shade, just to kind of keep the line. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the shade Ecstasy, and I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corner a bit. Just dragging that color slightly down. The lower lash. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Bliss and just bring it on like the inner corner here, just to kind of integrate the two colors back in. And a little bit goes a long way, because as always, lime crime shadows are like really pigmented and you get a lot of color payoff, so I don't even really need to like dip in too much, and you can see like how piercing the colors are. I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna just literally pat my brush in the shade Dreamy and just put it above and just kind of add a little bit more of a transition color up here. Just to make sure it's a little bit more blended. And then one more time I'm gonna go back in with the shade Bliss, because I really love this like really muted red. I guess it's kind of like a red coral. And I'm gonna go back up into the crease and deepen. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Gimme Brow. Next, and this has been like my favorite trick at the moment, I'm using this Sourmé Brow Lift. It's a brow highlighting pencil. And this has been my favorite thing. I just kind of put it underneath the brow, and it just kind of highlights without it making like, I was using what I was using in my inner corner highlight there, and I just didn't like how metallic-y it looked, so I've been using this one. and it just kind of like really shapes the brow and gives a little highlight underneath. And just so it's not so white, I just kind of drag it down a little, and it just carves out the brow. You can do it on top, but I don't want it to be like a really white line, so kind of just leave it underneath. Right, and then I'm gonna go with this white pencil. It's the shade Milk from NYX. I'm gonna put that like in my waterline. That, and I'm gonna use one of these shades in this palette for my inner corner highlight of my inner eye. I think I'm gonna try Rapture. Like, let's see what this looks like as an inner corner highlight. It's pretty. I like it to be a little brighter, so I'm gonna use a little bit of it, but then I'm gonna top it off with another color. So I'm just gonna go back in with MAC. This is the shade Nylon. And this is like my favorite. Let's see if it's a lot brighter. I'm just gonna go over that color Rapture, which was really pretty. I just like it like a little bit brighter. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Trooper liner. This is my favorite. I'm just going to do a line. I'm definitely not perfect by any means at the cat wing, but I just try my best. Every day it comes out different, but so I really like this one. It's pigmented. The tip is really flexible, so you can get like a really good sharp line. And honestly, I think it's like $24, but it lasts a long time. It usually lasts me like 2 or 3 months, and I do a wing like almost every day. So I'm not gonna mess with this. This one didn't come out like as great as the other one. Just try and get the... but you know what? Sometimes when you start messing with it, you get yourself in trouble. So I'm just gonna leave as is because I think it's like fairly okay. By the way, I'm using the, sorry I didn't show you guys this. This is the this is the Marc Jacobs mascara. Okay, I'm living for this eye. It's so pretty. As always, I love using my highlight Opals palette. As you guys can tell, my 2 favorite shades are the pink and the peach. I'm gonna do the pink today because it's my favorite. And a lot of people use a fan brush for highlight. I like using this Real Techniques brush. I don't know which one it is. It's the short, like really tapered one. And I like to do my nose. Sometimes I even go in with just the tip of and the bridge of the nose. And then I go in, I have pretty high cheekbones, so wherever your cheekbones are is where you place your highlight. This one is so pretty. Like when I run out of this, I'll cry. And then I do a little of my cubic bow. I see some girls like really overdo it with the highlighter here, and it looks pretty funny, so I try not to do that. But I do think a little looks nice, and just make sure everything's blended so you don't have like a really harsh line. But yeah, this is beautiful. This is like definitely my favorite highlighter kit. The nice thing about these is the bend is really thin. Yeah, so that's how those look on the eye. Okay, and for the lip, I'm going to be using my plushies. This is my favorite formula. I obviously love their Velveteen liquid lipsticks, but the plushies have stolen my heart. I'm using my favorite shade out of all of them, which is the Lavender and Honey. It's really pretty, as you guessed it, lavender pink color. And okay, there is a trick to plushies. I know a lot of people are like, they're so thin. Okay, so let me tell you what you do. I'm gonna show you a trick. Let it dry down about 30 seconds to a minute. So when it gets really dried down where I think it's not gonna, like right now, if I was to pat it with my lips, a lot of transfer would come off because it's not properly set. Once it's set on your lips and your lip starts to absorb the product and stain them, because it is kind of like a stain formula, you pat it to get this really soft, pretty diffused look. So when it's pretty much set, I go like this. And when you're done, see what I mean? It gives it like, it's not directly just over the lip line, it's kind of like smeared over the lip line, so it makes it look like more stained, I think. I don't know, I really like it. So anyway, this is, again, the Lime Crime plushies in the shade Lavender Honey. And it's my favorite. So that is it, guys. That is the completed look. I hope you guys liked this video. Definitely check out the Venus 3 palette. Don't sleep on it. These palettes sell out super quick. Again, just using 4 shades in here: Heavenly, Bliss, a little bit of Dreamy, and Ecstasy. I was able to obtain this look. Definitely gonna be playing more with this palette, so keep an eye out on my channel. I'm hoping to do some more makeup tutorials, especially now that I have a really nice filming space with a lot of natural light coming in. So thanks again for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, I will see you guys all in the next video. Like an earthquake.